Hello and welcome to Technology Live YouTube channel. After so many days, I'm back. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to download and install Winrar application in your PC. So why Winrar? Approximately 6 months ago, I uploaded a video on how to download and install MATLAB 2014A. So in this video, it actually across 6.4k views, I think. Let's just check it. Yep, it crossed already 6.4k views. So there are some questions like license path. They're asking about license path. In this video, I'll already discuss about the license path of MATLAB file, but what I didn't discuss that like he says that it says pay for the license. So many people face that problem, how to go through it. So for this to solve this problem, we're going to use Winrar application. Let's start. Go to your browser and search Winrar. Here's the first link, download Winrar. You can go to this download link and download it for 64-bit. If you have 64-bit laptop, 64-bit processor. Okay. Now the download is complete. Open the file and just yes, I want to install this file in C drive. So I click on install. It takes some time. You can choose the jar ISO file, but here I just simply explain you how to install. So I don't want to do it right now. So click on OK and done. It's so simple. So if you like this video, please show us, give a thumbs up. If you have a query, then comment it below, and please subscribe and share this video. For more information, follow this YouTube channel, and I want to take your leave. Thank you. Goodbye.